Have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most of
Redmi K70 Pro just launched today. Fast refresh rate, 2K OLED display, flagship processor, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Redmi K70 Pro, a flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is the Redmi K70 Pro black colored box. The box includes the Xiaomi HyperOS mentioned on it. Inside you get a high quality protective case in black color, which feels much better in terms of texture compared to usual transparent case. The phone itself is ink feather color, displays a black and grey velvet texture on the back, though the back is made of frosted glass. These textures provide a slightly rocky feel. At the top, there is a sizable glass camera module that appears mirror-like. To protect the camera lens, there is a metal ring atop each lens within this module, along with the 3 camera lens and a LED flash. The phone sides are crafted with the glossy metal frame in the black and grey color, providing a good grip and less slippery. Additionally, there are a sign of a fingerprint visible on this frame. The metal frame compared to the plastic one offers a premium feel to the phone. The volume rocker and the power button matches the color of the frame. At the bottom, there is a dual SIM card tray, but unfortunately no slot for the SD card. The phone measures 8.05mm in the thickness and weighs around 198 grams, making it neither particularly lightweight nor heavy. Its flat sides allows the phone to stand steadily on the surface as well. The back cover's edges are slightly curved, providing a comfortable feel in the hand. The phone's back is quite eye-catching and feels just perfect. What do you think about the design of the Redmi K70 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Speaking of the display, it features the 6.67-inch OLED display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Additionally, the display incorporates the Hoxing C8 luminescent material. Compared to the Redmi K60 Pro, there is a 15.9% improvement in the luminescent material used in the Redmi K70 Pro. Additionally, there is a no plastic bracket between the screen and the frame this time. The bezels on the screen are narrower than the K60 Extreme Edition, and the K17 Pro boasts a slightly thinner bezels, resulting in a sleek look with both the edges and the frame in the back, offering a pleasing combination and notably thinner bezels overall. The phone reaches a maximum manual brightness of 539.4 nits and boasts a PWM dimming feature at 3840 Hz, providing one of the highest level of eye protection globally. Talking about the performance, it's equipped with the recently launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship processor, accompanied by AI performance scheduling support. As for the benchmarks, you can see an Antutu score exceeding 2 million. In Geekbench, the phone achieves up to 2127 points for the single core, 6779 points for the multi-core performance. It supports playing PUBG Mobile at the highest setting with 90 FPS. And in HDR mode, it runs a 60 FPS similarly. Many other Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 phones also supports PUBG Mobile at 90 FPS in HDR. After playing the PUBG Mobile at the 90 FPS for 30 minutes on the phone, the average frame rate remains impressive at 89.8 FPS, which is quite remarkable. The maximum temperature at the back of the phone reaches up to 38.6 degrees during the regular usage. When playing King of Glory at 120 FPS, the average frame rate hits 119.85 FPS, with the back temperature reaches a maximum of 38.9 degrees. In the high graphic game Genshin Impact, it can play at 720p 60 fps and enable the option to use the 864p resolution. After playing for 30 minutes, the average frame rate 58.56 fps, with the maximum back temperature reaches the 43.6 degrees. This time in Genshin Impact, you can customize the resolution. You are able to play at 1440p resolution with the 30 frames per second. Overall, the phone's performance is outstanding. Moving on the camera, the Redmi K70 features a rear-facing triple camera setup. It includes a 50 megapixel main camera, a secondary 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and a third 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. You can check out some sample photos taken with these cameras. The front camera is a 16 megapixel shooter that comes with the gyro EIS support. In terms of battery and charging, the Redmi K70 Pro offers a 120-watt power adapter and houses a 5000 mAh battery. Charging the battery from 0 to 100% takes merely 22 minutes. Additionally, the phone features an axis linear motor, stereo dual speaker, NFC and IR blaster. Furthermore, it runs on HyperOS, which is based on Android 14. Compared to MIUI 14, there is noticeably less frame drop issue experienced on the Redmi K70 Pro. Talking about the price, the base variant starts at around 3299 Chini Yuan, roughly 367 pound in UK. In conclusion, Redmi K70 Pro is a versatile phone without any standout or distinct feature. It doesn't present any significant disadvantages but also lacks major changes compared to its predecessor. In comparison to its predecessor, the Redmi K70 Pro features a larger metal frame, thinner display bezels and notably improved texture. The main difference between the K70 Pro and K70 lies in the camera. The K70 Pro offers a wide-angle lenses. However, in terms of performance, there isn't a significant difference between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the K70 Pro and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the K70. For everyday use, both provides a similar performance, but the K70 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is more cost efficient. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
Disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus.